Massive benefits of building your business credit. Business credit is credit under a company's EIN. It is not associated with an owner's social security number. Business credit and personal credit are separate. Scores can diverge dramatically. Credit is in the business name and based on the business's ability to pay, and not the business owner's. Since the business qualifies for the credit, when done right, business credit is obtained with no personal credit check required from the business owner, and the business owner isn't personally liable for the credit the business obtains. Why do you want business credit? All major businesses have it. Warren Buffett, Oprah Winfrey, Bill Gates, etc. don't risk their personal assets when their companies borrow money. They don't need to provide a personal guarantee either. Why? Because their own businesses have credit. Get a free EIN from the IRS and choose a business entity such as a corporation, LLC, etc. You can start as a sole proprietor, but will most likely want to change to a corporation or partnership to minimize risk and maximize tax benefits. At least go with a DBA, for without one, your personal name is the same as your company name. You can end up personally liable for all business debts. Per the IRS, with this structure, you have a 1 in 7 chance of an IRS audit. There is only a 1 in 50 chance for incorporated businesses. Avoid confusion and significantly lower chances of an IRS audit at the same time. Go to D&B's website and look for your business. Can't find it? Then get a free DUNS number. With no DUNS number, there is no record and no Paydex score. Once you are in D&B's system, search Equifax and Experian sites for your business. You can do this at creditsuite.com/reports. If you have a record with them, check for accuracy and completeness. When you get credit from places which report to Experian and Equifax, they will have something to report on. Let's recap. Business credit means personal credit is untouched. Utilization rate stays low. There are no inquiries on personal credit. Building business credit before you need makes it easier and faster to get it. Payment history and credit history matter. Build business credit the right way. Establish business credibility. Get DUNS, EIN, and set business entity up with the IRS. Start with vendor credit. Move on to revolving store credit. Then move to fleet credit and cash credit. Contact us today to learn more about the massive benefits of building your business credit.